Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. I'm on my way to Target. Where am I going? Target. We're going to go to Sam's and or Costco. Bath and Body Works. You know that.
Kidnapped.
I'm just gonna go in real quick just to see exactly what they have at this other location that I haven't been to. Yeah, and that's about it. Yesterday was the last day for the 1050 candles, but I seen today that they're I think they 1250 or 1295. I don't know. But I thought they were gonna go up to 1550, but they didn't. So we're gonna get this one going because the stores we're going to is it's kind of far. Also, I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been riding with me from day one, or if you've been here for a while now, thank you for always coming back and checking out my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Also, don't forget to watch my entire video. It really helps my channel when you thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom, and like I said, watch the entire video. Yeah, I went to Target to try to exchange those cups, and I just put a clip in of show y'all what the cups look like because they are 70% off. If you got a Target with the Starbucks in it, go and grab you one. I'm not sure if they're gonna go to 90%, but of course 90% is the best deal that you could get. But normally these cups sell out quick. Okay, y'all, I finally made it to, well, actually we went to some other places, made some other stops, but we at the Bath and Body Works. This is a smaller store, but yeah, we're here. That's your stuff? This stuff right here?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these just because this one's 75.
Yeah, no, I don't want that one. Is that the only one y'all have, or do y'all have any more?
This is the last of the 75 candles. Just found them, or they were returned yesterday, so finally got to put some up.
So what's the deal with the Cocoa Shea products? Are they being discontinued or repackaging?
I don't know 100% at this point. They just tell us which ones are going and which ones aren't. I haven't gotten a lot of that in shipment, so I don't know if they're taking it away or not.
What about the strawberry pound cake collection? Y'all got that stuff in here?
I think there's supposedly some body care coming out.
Y'all haven't got it yet?
Not yet.
You don't know when?
That's probably going to be a summer or springtime fragrance, so whenever we launch spring at the end of clearance.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
Okay, yeah, as y'all heard, this store don't have the spring collection yet. I guess they'll get it after the semi-annual sale. I guess we're gonna have to wait and come back to actually see that collection. So we're gonna keep on walking around and see exactly what we can find at this store. I think this is like my 4th location Not for today, but I got other videos if you want to check those videos out. As you see, this is a smaller store. They got a couple of goodies. I found one Coco Shea, what is this? Body oil. This candle I thought was like a 75%. You know, it's hit and miss with the 75% candles. And just kind of keep looking and see what they have. Smaller store, and I just assumed that store will have more stuff, maybe some 75% candles. They did have their Roman candle.
Piece of real?
Yeah, I know. That's what everybody is finding that candle, but nobody is buying it. But I started to buy it and then take it back, exchange it, because their candles is 100% guaranteed, or yeah, 100% guaranteed. If you don't like it, you can bring it back. So I started to buy that one and just exchange it, but I don't know. So yeah, that store really didn't have much. I mean, they had a lot of 50% stuff, but they really didn't have any 75%. Of course, the lotions and the body wash. I decided not to get that Coco Shea body oil because the bottle was just kind of nasty. And I think it was probably like, what, maybe $2? Maybe $2 or $3, I'm not sure. So I guess that's gonna be my Bath and Body Works. So we're finna head over here to Sam's, and I guess if I go to another one, I'll just come back.